In this lesson, we're going to talk about the string method format. And what this does is it will define values that can go in string placeholders. It's kind of hard to explain that way. Let me just jump into the example. So if I say that x equals a string that says I am the, and then we're going to call it rank placeholder string. Okay. And then we'll say y equals x dot format. And this is where we specify what rank actually is. And then we'll say worst. And here, if you print y, you can see what's happening. It will say I am the worst string. So the format method is actually defining what rank is and inserting it into the string.